Hi, I'm Chef Charlie Ayers, owner of Calafia Cafe and Market a Go-Go in Palo Alto, California. Today I'm going to make for you our Mexican chicken taco salad. We first start off with marinating the chicken breast 24 hours in advance. Then we roast the chicken and chop it up. After the chicken is fully cooked and cooled down, we'll take some of our chipotle scented black beans, minced red onions, white corn, minced jalapenos, and oregano. We'll mix that with our chili lime vinaigrette. Mix that a little bit so it makes like a black bean corn salsa. In the summertime, you can add tomatoes to this, or you can add watermelon. Split your romaine right down the center. This is a great dish to share, or if you're really hungry, just have it all for yourself. If the lettuce isn't cooperating, you can cut it into quarters. You're going to simply take your pre-roasted, marinated grilled chicken, lay that down on top across the lettuce, hit that with some of your roasted jalapeno Caesar dressing. If you don't have time to make your own Caesar dressing at home, just buy a really good store-bought Caesar dressing and roast a couple jalapenos, peel them, take the seeds off, and incorporate that into the dressing. Use a blender for that. We're going to add our black bean corn salsa. Finish that with some of the crispy fried tortilla strips. And you want the tortilla strips to kind of be like the divider between the dressing and the salsa. Then we finish this with a little queso fresco. If you're lactose intolerant and you don't want to do cheese, you can omit the cheese. What you end up with is a really great appetizer. This could serve 4 people, a hearty lunch for 1, or this would be a great shared salad. I'm Chef Charlie Ayers, owner of Calafia Cafe and Market a Go-Go in Palo Alto, California.